Hello, this is Shep and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club, and we have our 1934 Rolls Royce. This is the 2025 with a parkboard body. We shot one video. This one we'll just send out as needed. This is the running, driving, operational video. So we'll go ahead and fire this up. I'll show you other parts of the car as well. But there is the straight six. Really pretty easy on operation. Just power up. Set the choke. And as that's idling, I just want to show you the top here.
Yep, so we'll kind of take a look at the top in just a few seconds. I'll show you open and close. But that's a view, obviously, when the roof is shut. Better view. It's kind of going in out of focus. But yeah, you can see that soft top opens up really nicely, really easily. Functions like you hope it to.
All these top drains have been cleared and they function as well, so no backup that'll cause you body work down the road. We'll show you the lights.
So there's the headlights. We'll go check out the back, give you the brake lights. Brake lights work well. All right, I think we'll hop in now and go for a ride.
All the glass is really good throughout the vehicle. All the windows do operate, no cracks. The wood is gorgeous. We covered that on a previous video. 4-speed manual transmission.
That soft top put into good use.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, awesome day for a drive.
Shift into second, smooth, clutch feels good. And then once you get going, you can kind of mess around with your carburation, slow your ignition down a little bit. Definitely this is a little older than I'm used to, so a little bit of tweaking or further info there would be, research would be good by the knowledgeable driver. So not breaking any land speed records, but certainly everything runs and functions. That was wasn't going fast enough for that fourth, but it does hit all those gears quite easily. And I just want to show you a reverse. Reverse is a push down. Push the selector down, and then it's all the way to your left. Whoa. Turning radius is a little long. I want to see this. The horn does work as well. Just wanted to set that park brake, make sure that was, yeah, that There's the horn.
It's working well.
There is the 1934's Rolls Royce rolling down the road. This is Shep. I can be reached at 208-721-1973.
Feel free to reach out to Nick. My number is 563-676-8225. Thanks for watching.